Stuff like this shit.
What is the Bluetooth?
No, it's not. It's the the Sonos. Sonos, the speakers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tweaking a little bit.
Sometimes, yeah, they happen.
Had that happen at my old job. Sometimes it would.
Updated something.
Yeah.
I'm tired, man. She said,
You go to the game yesterday?
no, Rico's there.
Yeah. Everybody was there.
مغاري
check شرف
ثم المصاري والله برا oh يعني it's not cheap.
بس هاي 178 close fuck
$1,000.
it's cool بس 178 is cool
You know I got you. You know Pastor Lens got you. أنا البارح حبيبي والله البارح البارح نيتي كان ديد مية
As a matter of fact, no, that was for her birthday. Dang, this that shit.
This is shit. That's a cool shit. Maria Carey and Basra. Maria. Flip mode. Flip mode. Flip mode is the greatest. He said, you want to switch on him? I said, yeah, flip mode. I said, I was playing in the backyard. I swim, I pluck my hair. I said, flip mode. We make it close. You know. Allah عليك. Make it hard. Make it hard. Oh, this is a nasty bitch right here.
Raw dick.
Love it, this ball. Yeah. That's the nasty one right here. Fuck 60 red, 60 red, whatever. Bro, that shit is nasty. She's nasty.
Kid like rap. It's funny because I'm sitting here thinking like, I remember when these songs came out and shit. Like when BET and MTV used to have like
Bro,
making the video.
Vivo, VH1.
Right. Like watching, like actually watching these music videos.
Bro, that's what I used to do. ابو ابيض برز والله ابو ابيض برز يقول شو بخلص غدا انا اليوم.
He said real.
تعرف انه هذا ولد ولا؟
No.
Remember cartoon shop next door?
Tattoo shop? Yeah.
صاحب المحل تعرف من وين كان هناك؟
Oh yeah.
هذا ابنه.
Tattoo chest.
Go higher. Higher. Zero go right here. إذا هيك لا لا
لازم ترجع له شيء.
لا تستحمل ما لازم تحكي له بالبيت. فاهم علي؟
اها.
شوف لازم تحكي له بعض.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hey, you guys are out tonight. Look at the camera all like. Him. That would be funny.
He's not a mad person.
He's not a mad person.
I'm just kind of live me. I got a bean. I don't know if I got that in my bag. No. I don't know if I got that.
Oh, God, you're married. You guys are married now.
Oh, who did Chuck? Have a smartphone or laptop? Appreciate you.
Hello?
I'll look.
I look.
Run it back.